Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify product tour design with Intro.js easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your product tour design with Intro.js, start by ensuring you have the Intro.js library included in your project. If you haven't already, download Intro.js from its official website or use a CDN link in your HTML file. Next, create your HTML elements that you want to highlight during the tour. Make sure each element has a unique identifier, as this will be used to guide the tour. Now, initialize the Intro.js library by writing a simple JavaScript function. Use the Intro.js method to start building your tour. Select the elements you want to target by using the appropriate ID or class selectors. For each element, add a data attribute called data_intro to include the text that will be displayed in the tour. You can customize the appearance of the tooltips by adding additional data attributes like DataStep, DataPosition, or DataTooltip class. Once you have defined your elements, write a function to start the tour when a specific button or event is triggered. Call the start method of the Intro.js instance within this function to begin the product tour. Test the tour by clicking the button to ensure everything is displaying correctly. Observe the tooltips and ensure they correctly highlight the intended elements. If you encounter any issues, double-check your HTML structure for ID and class errors. Consider adjusting the timing delays and positioning if tooltips overlap or seem misaligned. After making necessary adjustments, retest the tour to verify that all elements are highlighted correctly. Once the design verification is successful, document any changes you've made for future reference. Finally, share your verified product tour design with your team for feedback and further improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.